Oh, hi everyone. Today we're going to do some Dorito math. I don't usually eat Doritos, but for science, I'll do anything. Take 25. Hi, cut. Take 26. Hi everyone. I don't usually eat Doritos. Hi everyone. Today we're going to do some Dorito math. I'm testing out the samples. We're going to compare different size packaging, and you can do some of the math to figure out unit pricing. Let's do some grocery store math. Are you finding everything?
Maybe I need to think about yourself. Unless I know.
I think I'll find some. Oh, these look good. Lots to choose from, but I see some different sizes that I've had from other stores, I think. So I think I'll try this size. $23 for these. Things we'll do for science. I don't usually eat Doritos, but for science I must. Okay, let's do some math. Here we have 108 grams. Dish. It is 655. We'll tear it out to 0. And now we'll weigh the chips. 108. Empty. And it is 113.7. We'll empty that. We'll do a 48 gram bag of Doritos. $6.55. We'll tear it out again. We get 49.8. Next, we'll do a 27 gram bag. And it says 55.3. Oh, that's not a 27 gram bag. It's 2 servings of 27 grams. So we get a 55.3. So we'll take it to the worksheet and the calculator, and we'll see what the unit pricing is. Are you ready to do some grocery store math? You can download these worksheets and follow along with me now to find out how to do. The first sheet is an informational sheet with sample A and sample B of Doritos, comparing two different sizes. I've used both NT dollars and US dollars. You can choose which one you use. And then on page 2, you'll see a list of questions that refer to page 1. You can find all the answers on page 1 to these questions, sample A and sample B. And then you'll compare the two products and follow through the questions, and just simple, easy to do questions, and you can find the answers if you get stuck on the last page, page 4. After you complete and follow the process of going through the Doritos, you can try again, same exact process with Pringles. Page 3. And again, the answers are on an answer key on page 4 on the download. So have fun with practice of these two products. But then there's a fourth sheet that you can take along to the grocery store with you and try any product you'd like. They don't have to be unhealthy products that I've chosen. Anyway, the fourth is product 1. Write down the name, write down the cost, and the size. And then you can take it home and follow the math and do the math at home. Okay, so then you'll see the answer key is below to page 2 and page 3. And then you'll have a great savings for your family if you do the math and get good at it. It's kind of a fun way to go grocery shopping, to compare prices and save money. You can also, you don't have to pick the same product. You can pick similar products, maybe a name brand or a generic brand, and use the same process. It's kind of a fun way to do math and fun to save money. I hope you enjoyed this. See you later.